This is the Amazon Echo I have been waiting for. I've always wanted a battery in my Echo. Don't get me wrong, I love the Echo, but I just wish I could take it with me because the sound quality is so nice. It'd be nice to be able to have a Bluetooth speaker everywhere I go. This is the Amazon Tap. It has a Bluetooth chip, it has a battery in it, it's portable, you can take it places with you. And here we have the Amazon Tap. Let's go ahead, get right into it, and check this baby out. It's got this nice cardboard sleeve here. Okay, kind of like the others. Let's lift, almost. There we go. Let's lift that off. Okay, another tab here. Yank that sucker off. And how do you open this? Right here. Ooh, okay. Got a tab here to pull the sucker right out of there. And there's that baby. Woo! Ooh, wow. It's got this nice cloth around it, around this metal mesh. That's a very, oh my gosh, it's not too heavy. Oh, it smells good. It smells nice. I love it. What else does it come with here? We have, oh, this is the base station. It has a base station. You can just go ahead and set the Amazon Tap on it wherever, any orientation, and it will charge. That's very useful. You just set it on your nightstand or in your kitchen. You can set it down and have it charge, and it still plays the music and all that. You don't have to mess with the cable. We have the charging brick right here. Awesome. And we also have a power cable. And you know what? Wow, that's a long cable. A lot of smartphones out there don't even come with half the size cable, so that's really nice that this portable device even comes with a big cable. They know what we like, they know what we need. That's good. Let's go ahead and power this baby on. Power button right in the back. There's also an audio jack. I don't know if it's in or out. There's Bluetooth button, and there's the power cable if you like to power it without this base here. Let's turn this on. Does it come charged? Yes, it does. It's a light. Ooh, we got these blue indicator lights right here. And
hello, your tap is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Set up a new device. Orange lights, continue. Connect my phone to tap. Let's do that through Wi-Fi.
You've connected to tap.
Let's go ahead and see how this thing sounds. Woo! That is loud! For that little guy, that's a Bluetooth. That's probably the best Bluetooth speaker I've tried on this channel by far. But I can definitely tell right off the bat, it's not as good as the Echo, because the Echo has a lot more bass and lows to it, but obviously it's a size thing. The Echo's a lot bigger, the Tap's a lot smaller, it's portable, it's got a battery in it. This has a lot more tech in it than the Amazon Echo. With that said, it still has Alexa, but Alexa is only activated voice-wise when you switch something in the app. Other than that, you have to tap somewhere on here. Where do you tap? Oh, there's a button in the front of it. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Entertain me, please.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Dang. I'm gonna go ahead and enable Alexa to listen to Alexa. My voice. Oh, it has a battery level, 46%. That's cool. Hands free. Here we go. Talk to Alexa without tapping the microphone button. That's what we want. Continue. Alexa, how old are you?
In human years I'm 3, and in dog and cat years I'm 28. I think AI years are marked by nanoseconds, so that makes me like a skrillion.
That's pretty old. Okay. Let's check out the base station it came with. Now, keep in mind, you do not need this base station to charge your tap. The tap does have micro USB built into the back of it. So if you're at your friend's house or you're on the go or anywhere, you can still charge your tap. This is purely for convenience. This is just for your house, on your bedside, whatever. All right, got the base station plugged in. Let's go ahead and pop this sucker on. Oh, did you hear that? It sounds like 3D. It's all around me. How come it just doesn't do that for all the audio? I don't. That is cool. As you see, any orientation, charging, because it has this ring around it. You can keep it at your house on the base station, let it charge all the time, have it ready to go. You can pick it up, put it in your purse, put it in your backpack. They even come with these cool carrying cases where you can hook it to your backpack and go on the go with this thing. That's the main attraction towards this product, is that you can take it on the go. And that, like I said before, that's my biggest issue with the Amazon Echo, is I can't take it with me. If you would like a portable Alexa enabled Bluetooth speaker, she heard me, I recommend strongly this Amazon Tap. It has good audio, it has a charging station, it has the cable, it connects through Bluetooth, connects to your Wi-Fi, it charges on the station, charges through USB. I think overall this is a great Bluetooth speaker. If you would love to try this out yourself, we have the link down below in the description on Amazon for $130.